Hey guys, welcome back to another clip. This time we're in North Bay again, back with our buddies from Rob's Fishing Charters, a nice fishing bungalow company right out of Lake Nipissing on Calendar Bay. We're fishing the 2020 Walleye opener, which is January 1st, and it's a trip that we've been looking forward to pretty much since last year. It's always a really fun time. First ice, first drop. Lake's pretty much been untouched since the season's closed. A few months back, we started the trip by helping Nico and Nick with setting up the rest of the outhouses and a couple more bungalows, and pretty much just the final touches to the huts, and rang in the new year with a nice little bonfire with the boys, and yeah, got right into it. We had our friend Lyle with us, and you've seen him in my previous videos. I actually just did a video with him a few months back on the Niagara River. He's a guide out of the Niagara region. He came up, did some walleye fishing with us, ended up fishing out of his little clam hub there. Hi.
Oh, that's a big one.
You have a decent?
I don't think it was as big, but it didn't feel small. You marking him now?
Yep.
Oh, you! That's my eyeball!
It was funny because that was actually the same fish that had come up to Bowen, smacked his bait, he got tight on it, come off, and then as it came down, I noticed it on my screen, so I ended up starting working the bait, and sure enough, that fish that had just ate Bowen's bait came through and demolished my bait.
It's not a bad one.
No.
He's not a keeper, I don't think, is he?
No. Beautiful.
This first fish was caught on on that Hyperglide. Found this new bait online. It's called like an Acme Hyperglide or whatever. It's got like wings flapped out. Kind of a cool bait. Figured I'd give it a shot, and sure enough, it's been fishing great. It's a bit of a finicky bite this day, until this next fish rolled through and absolutely blew our minds.
On my back too.
This could be a big eye.
I don't know, it didn't... It just hit, when I was looking away, it hit my hand. I looked down, there was a big mark below me.
It's not fighting like a Pike Jones though.
Not really, but
I think
it's hard to...
I think it's a big bird. Burbot.
Think
so.
Bob?
Big Bob.
Come on, baby, show me under.
Ooh.
That's what we're looking for.
And we were all stoked for it. Unfortunately, the way he ate it was just... He choked it, went right down the gullet, and stuck him in the gills, so... He didn't make it. We kind of gave him his chance, and just didn't look good. We didn't want to send back a fish that was going to go to waste, and you know, one of us was going to eat the fish anyways, and it ended up being Lyle. He was pretty keen to cook some up, so it ended up measuring 24 on the measuring tape, and was the biggest fish that we had seen so far this season.
Kind of sucks. He's a nice fish.
Yeah, that was the end of that fish, but what an absolutely awesome bite and awesome little day of fishing. We ended up catching a bunch more fish over this trip. I just didn't record. Like I said before, I just kind of wanted to spend some time with my buddies and leave the cameras behind and kind of just relax for once.
Okay.
They're ugly as fuck.
Done.
But he's nice.
I wish they had that in slow motion.
Wow. Could you imagine me sneaking him? That's a nice one, dude. The old burbot pit. Apparently they're decent eating.
Either way, guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Pretty special trip for all of us. You know, Bowen's been doing it for over 10 years now, and he was nice enough to introduce me to this beautiful place a few years back, and I've just fell in love with it ever since. So thank you to Bowen for introducing me to this beautiful world up here. Thank you to Nico. Thank you to Dylan. Thank you to Nick. Thank you to Rob's Ice Fishing Charters, and thank you to North Bay for being absolutely beautiful. And we will catch you guys in the next clip. Thanks so much for watching. Take it easy.
Not impressed.